Hello everyone, I will talk about innovative electric aircraft win Green Flight Challenge, and the event sponsor the competitive aircraft flight efficiency foundation require aircraft to fly 322 km in less than 2 hours, and while using less than 3.75 liter of fuel for passenger. And in this competition we have 14 teams registered, and we have 2 teams won in this competition. The first team is USA. We call Pepistro in Pennsylvania, took home the grand prize is $1.35 million for its electric power craft. And the second team is Ingenious in California. They was winning $122,000 in prize money, equivalent of about 160 passenger kilometer per liter. And when the airplane fly 2,000 feet, we cannot hear them. When the airplane fly, there are no emissions. And the Cafe Green Flight Challenge was sponsored by Google, and the award by NASA. And to sum up the purpose of this article is they try to create many aircraft. They try to create many aircraft, not exhausted fumes, and protect the environment. And the advantage of this competition is can save the fuel and the energy of the aircraft, because nowadays the fuel and the energy is very difficult to find, right? And so we have to save it. Thank you for watching my video.